2023, like 1:30 something p.m. and it's a Monday, and I have taken a few days off. And check out where I am. How do you flip this phone? Oh no. Well, here, look at where I am. Ta-da! Ta-da! As you can tell, I am all alone on this beach. I got my bike and I plan to do some biking while I'm here. So, yeah, I'll show you where I go. But in the meantime, check out my view, man. Look at that. It's low tide right now, but tide's coming up. Beach all to myself. Weather's great, nice and windy. Pretty clear skies. See you guys later. Bye. Good morning, guys. Finally nakaalis ako ng bahay. I'm on my bike now and I've been biking about 20 minutes pero ang sama ng daan. So I've hardly traveled any distance, but I wanted to start the video and show you where I am. Look. It's like cows. There's one right here. Nice, no? Anyway, I am going towards Calatagan, and then from there, I don't know kung Balayan or Nasugbu. Let's see where the road takes me. Hopefully it doesn't rain. I felt some raindrops earlier. I hope yun na yun. Anyway, catch you later. Bye. So, while biking to Calatagan, towards Calatagan, I saw this road with an arrow pointing to Balayan and Batangas City. So, I'm gonna ditch Calatagan and I'm gonna check out this road and see where it takes me. Here I am now on the Balayan road. Uphill pala siya. But look at this view. Now that I've gained some altitude, you can see that there's like, I don't know, nature all around. Beautiful. I'm gonna continue on this road and see where I go. So guys, finally nakahanap ako ng coffee. Yes. So I don't know where I am. I think I'm nearing the Toy Rotonda. Grabe, I feel like I've hardly used the big plate at all. I'm so tired. I've only been biking like probably less than 30 kilometers, but I guess it's safe to say that 8 beers before a ride, not such a good idea. But thank God I have music. I've been listening to a lot of Rolling Stones, Tom Waits, some Sade, some Led Zeppelin, Billy Joel. Man, without the music, I don't think I'd be able to do this. So thank God for rock and roll, right? Alright, I'm hungry, so I think I'm gonna go look for a place to eat. Woo! Lakas ng hangin. Can you see? Alright, so I am here at the Toy Rotonda now. It's like if you go that way, it's to Tagaytay. That way is to Lian, Nasugbu. That other way is where I came from, which is Balayan and Batangas City. So I'm going this way, back towards Lian. I know already where I'm gonna eat. It's gonna be at this place I get coffee at normally in the mornings. I haven't been there today. Since I had coffee somewhere else, but that's where I'm gonna go, and it's gonna be my first time to eat there. Hopefully it's not too crowded, you know, social distancing and all. Anyway, knackered, man, but I think after I eat I'm gonna head back to the house. Kind of tired. I shouldn't be this tired, but I am, so I'm gonna listen to my body before something bad happens, like I run out of gas. Alright, I am now at Jake and Juliana's kitchen. It's in Lian. And I checked my Strava. Naka 40k na pala ako. Yeah. And I think, alam mo yung falls flat? Parang ganun yata eh. Kasi I was really stuck on the small plate for almost the whole ride. It's so heavy. I realize now I might have been going uphill. You know, not a big percentage gradient, pero enough to feel it after a number of kilometers. Anyway, I'll check later the graph of Strava when I'm done with the ride. Hey guys, alright, so I'm near the end of my ride. In the end, it's like 50 kilometers what I did. I'll call it the Balayan loop. Anyway, so I guess that's it for now. I'm really tired, so I am going to hit the beach and take a nap.